Somewhere in studios. Today we're going to go over 9s, 6 9s, and add 9s. These are what I call the category 3 chords. Category 1 is triads, major, minor, diminished, augmented, suspended, 3-note. Category 2, 6 and 7s, those 4-note chords. The 6s, major, minor, dominant, 7s, 6 and 7s. And then here's category 3, 9, 6 9s, and add 9s. They can be 4-note or 5-note, depending on what you're talking about. Okay, our memory phrase is major mud, and he's adding 6 shooter. So major meaning your major 9, right? Major 9, and then this next M would be minor 9, and then the dominant 9 for the D, and then adding would be add 9, and then the minor add 9, and then 6 is just 6 9, right? 6 9 because it's 9s. It's not a 6. We're talking about 9s, right? Major mud is adding 6 shooter, or you could say 6 shooter and Glock 9. You could do that and kind of put those together as a 6 9. All right, now the sus. Okay, all right, 2 types of 9s. You have a sus 9, right, that you get using slash chords. Okay, triad and a slash, a major over 4. That would give you a major 7 sus 9, right? A 1 5 7 9. So here, see the major, and then 4 of C major is F. So you put it's 4 on the bottom, major over 4. So that gives you a major 7 sus 9. I call it a sus and not a major 9 because it has like a suspended sound. It's like an airy, kind of light kind of sound. Different from a major 9. A major 9 doesn't sound as light because it has that 3 kind of bringing it back down, if you can just understand just musically what I'm saying. All right, so now we have that, and then we have the minor over 4. That's another way you can get a 9 chord, a dominant. I call it dominant 7 sus 9 because it has the flat 7 in there, right? So here's the minor, and then the 4 of C is F, minor over 4. Okay, so remember, major 7 sus 9, dominant 7 sus 9. Okay, here we go. We start with the major over 4. So you know major, this is a major chord right here. 1, this is a 1, 3, and a 5. Okay, if you just concentrate on just this little piece, right? Now, if you say what's in front of a 1 is a 4, okay? I mean a 5, 5. So 5, and then go back. Here's a 5 right here, and then you have to go up. Here's a 4, and you get major over 4. You renumber it. The root's always on the bottom, you can say, and that gives you the 1 5 7 2. 2 is just a 9, same thing. It's just an octave. 2 plus an octave is a 9. It's the same note, right? A 9 for a C major is a D, or a 2 for a C major is a D. D is a D. It's the same note, but if it's up top, you call it a 9 if it's like plus an octave. Okay, so there's that. Next part of it, you do the shift and flip, okay, to get other kind of inversions, right? And I think when you put the 2 on the bottom, which is kind of this side of the fretboard, the bottom meaning low E bass notes, right? The thicker strings, bottom. If you put it on the bottom, it functions like a 2, like a sus 2. So here's what you do. I wish I can make an animation. Maybe I'll do that later, but I'll make an animation. This is what you start off with, okay? You start off with this one, and then you shift it. You push this to the front, okay? And then, or towards the bottom, right? You just, the 7 and 2, you shift it, and then here you just flip it, okay? And you do the same thing with the majors. Okay, I gotta go. I have to fill this in later, but you have another type. You have a Let's see. See if I can just do this real quick. You have major mud adding, okay, yeah. You have the shell 9, which you start off with the F shape. Okay, see here, F shape. And then you bring it down. Just look at that. And then do the shift and flip again to get those other 9s. But see, this is the 3, right? Other one you were omitting the 3. This time you're omitting the 5. Just stop, think about that. Here are the notes. I gotta go, I'm so sorry. But I'll redo this later when I get some time. But this is the idea, okay? Use the shell. So it's a shell and the triad slash to get the 9s. If you can get that, hold on to that. That's a good nugget to just kind of freestyle these 9s, 6 9s, and add 9s, what I call the category 3 chords. Okay, More Studio signing off. Enjoy, like, and subscribe.